What's up guys, this is Jack for a round 5 Lone Star Drift recap video. I was not able to get much footage at all, but I did have a couple clips from the GoPro, so we're going to throw these up real quick, let you guys watch this. This is a really good event. We did pretty well. We ended up taking home $1,000 and winning second place. So overall, can't complain too much. This was the first event on the brand new motor. So to start it off, we have me versus Ben Crawford. I am in the lead. Trying to go wide there, back on the throttle. About 3 or 4 feet off the inner clipping zone. Both back tires over the line like the judges wanted to see and out to the wall. Now that is what the judges were trying to see at this event. They were considering 3 or more tires over the concrete separation, a 0. So pay close attention on this one with Ben out front. I did enter a little bit late here and he did not have much angle, which is something I need to work on. However, I did try to suck back up on him right here. Got back in the throttle, and unfortunately that was 4 tires over the line, which would be a 0. So we ended up taking this win. On to the next one. We have Tyler STAUB, a really good driver, another LS car as well. Me and him have driven together multiple times. Really clean car, really good driver. So we were going to try to push as good as we could. Again, I entered a little bit late, a little far behind. That's something I definitely need to get better at, but we tried to suck back up on him here. Really good line. 2 tires over the crack per judge's request. Overall, really good run. There's my lead. Based on what my spotter told me, Tyler did a really good job behind me, following me, staying very close. I know the crowd was pretty pleased with it, but there was a difference in line, I believe, not 100%, but it ended up going one more time. So on our one more time, my spotter told me I had to give it all, run a 3, which is something in our scoring system that we do. So here I am, knowing I have to put it all on the line if we want to continue this competition. So I managed to fix that first mistake, entered close on him there on the inside, behind him, full throttle transition, back on the gas. Got a little close, gave him a tap, but Tyler stayed in it, which is awesome. It did not disrupt his line at all. We continued through the drift out to the wall, and that was a really good run. Alright, this is Tyler's follow, my lead. Again, we're entering at the top of 4th gear, as you can hear. Going pretty quick, doing the best we can. I can't see, but I'm sure Tyler's right behind me, doing a great job following. A couple feet off that inner clipping zone, 2 tires over the line, back up to the inner clipping zone and out towards the wall. Alright, this is it. 1-2 battle, me versus Fielding Shredder. Now guys, this was for $5,000, so I knew I had to push as hard as I could. I come up behind him here, clutch kick, dive towards the inside. I got a little close to him, so I had to left foot brake there, and you can see things went wrong. Not entirely sure what happened. I think I was pushing a little too hard, let the car over rotate, which caused my line to bobble, and it is what it is. So not the best thing to happen, but you know what, we tried our best. Here we go, me leading. I knew I was at a pretty big deficit, so I had to give it my all once again. We basically drag race to the first corner. I throw it in full throttle. Let off a second for the transition, push wide towards that outside zone. Push 2 tires if possible to that center line. Inner clipping zone and outer towards the wall. Overall, pretty happy with that, guys. We managed to take second place and $1,000. Now here's a clip from the last event. Ooh, not good, not good, as you guys can see. I do have some footage of that coming up soon, but you guys check this out.
Yeah, so that's a piece of piston. See the top
Yikes,
piston?
that was a pretty crazy 2 or 3 weeks getting the car ready again. But thanks for watching, I appreciate it, can't wait to make more.